Hey, it's Jamila from Jamila by Pink again, and today I'm going to show you how I use my EasyPress Mini to make these cool kids duffel bags. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my videos. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and heat up our EasyPress Mini to the second setting. The good thing about the Mini is it's designed to get into weird spaces. You want to make sure that your duffel bag is flat on a hard surface. I didn't use the pillow because sometimes when you're working with things that have a lot of weird seams and stuff, the pillow kind of pushes those up, which makes it harder to get um, get the press working right or moving right. So all I did with this is I worked in a circular motion or back and forth on my design to make sure that everything got pressed on pretty good. I am using glitter vinyl for these, which is a little bit easier to work with. I think with glitter vinyl you have a little bit more room for error as far as the glitter ripping or even pressing directly on to the right on top of the vinyl. So you'll see me remove the transfer tape and go over it again. As I'm removing the transfer tape, you'll see that the Z is not completely connected, or it's not completely pressed down, which is fine because it's glitter, and I don't know, just glitter is a little bit easier to work with. But as I'm pulling back the transfer tape, you can see that there's some lifting. So all I'm going to do is go back over it directly with the EasyPress. And like I said, with glitter, you have a little bit more room for error. It can take a little bit more heat and a little bit more movement. So I did not put anything over that vinyl before I pressed it. Now, if I was using any other heat transfer vinyl, I would use a piece of Teflon or a piece of butcher's paper or parchment paper to protect it against the heat. But you just want to make sure that everything's pressed on very nicely. But like I said, with the EasyPress, it's easy. The EasyPress Mini, it's easy to get up to the top and make sure everything is nice and pressed down. This would be a lot harder with a traditional heat press because of the way it's made. With the EasyPress Mini, you have a little bit more control. But there you go. I read the neon letters on the globe and believe it. I'm feeling conceited. Fill up the tank, got me a check.